ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Cat's Cradle Forge. Here I have a piece of wrought iron. Today we're going to turn it into a unicorn horn. Yeah, nowadays everyone's crazy about unicorns. It's just like, well, we're about to make all your dreams come true today on Cat's Cradle Forge. It's a magical world. Alright, now it's time for a twist. Needless to say, this is going to be interesting and difficult at the same time. Getting a consistent twist on something that slowly narrows to a point. I've never seen anyone put a twist on anything that was cone shaped before. I've seen machines do it, like a machine something, but I've never. So there we go. I can't get this eye to stop watering and snot from pouring out of my nose. It's just been non-stop while I'm trying to work, and I can't. Oh, I got dirt or dust in my eye, and that's that. So there we go. We got a unicorn horn. Then we're going to wire brush the shit out of this and see what we got. Alright, we wire brushed it, it's looking slick. Let's go inside on the shittier camera and get a close-up on it. So there it is, ladies and gentlemen. Bling bling, unicorn horn. Wait until this thing goes into the ferric chloride and gets all the cracks and stuff in it and looks even more realistic. Don't know what I'm going to do with this yet. It might be the handle to something brutal, I'm not sure. But I was informed my ferric chloride just came in. Now I'm going to have to ask all of you, what do I do with this stuff? Do I dilute it with water? Can I dilute it with water, or do I have to use it pure? I already know all the safety tips, and I already know the baking soda neutralizes it. What I need to know is, can I dilute it? Any other safety tips too would be nice. It's just we don't want this stuff like to get loose, you know. Any plastic bottle will do, or will some plastics just melt like when you pour gasoline into the wrong plastic bottle? Things like that I need to know. Can it go in any glass? Things like that. It would be much appreciated. Thank you for watching Cat's Cradle Forge, and you have a wonderful day. And I almost got all of that steel power grounded up for the experiment I'm going to attempt. So stay tuned for that. Don't think I forgot about it, because I didn't. Have a wonderful day.